Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing journey to new heights? In this video, we unveil the top 5 affiliate programs that will pave the way to success in 2024. Get ready to unlock unparalleled earning potential and dominate the affiliate marketing game like never before. Are you a complete beginner? You don't even know what is affiliate marketing? Let me tell what is affiliate marketing. This is the online business where you find a program that are selling online products. You will get your affiliate link from that program and promote to traffics. When one of your traffic purchase that product, you make commission. Either you are beginner or expert of affiliate marketing, this program works for anyone, and I will completely broke down into 2 groups. Those which are best for beginners and those which are best for people who already expert of affiliate marketing. Even those which are best for beginners means they are more best for expert, since it will be easy for them to make money. Do you want to be expert of affiliate marketing? Probably yes. If yes, you have to know the secret for affiliate marketing success, which all expert like me revealed before unlock their success. Do you know what the secret are they? Watch the video showing up on the screen to unlock the 3 secret for your affiliate marketing success even if you have 0 followers. To start with, I will explain Bet's platform to start with as a complete beginner in affiliate marketing, and the first affiliate program which is easiest for beginner is Digistone24. Guess why? This is mainly because of 2 reasons. First is low barrier to entry. Digistone24 has a relatively low barrier to entry, making it accessible for beginners who are just starting their affiliate marketing journey. You don't need to have a website so as to get approved in Digistone24, since most of affiliate program require a website so as to get approved to promote their products. Second is wide range of products which has commission rate of 25% to 90% per sale. That means a single sale give you enough commission. Also, the price of their products start from $10, which give a beginner a chance to sell it even for those who does not trust him, since it is easy for someone to risk $10. Furthermore, the products from Digistone24 are easily promotable to all social media you know, since it has good affiliate support page where you will get all tools that are needed for product promotions. Like this product has already create pins for you to use it in Pinterest. Is that good, right? Yes. You will need just to copy and paste. I have a video on how to promote this product in Pinterest. You can watch it later or click the notification on the top screen to save it for later. Second best affiliate program for beginner is Share a Sale. This also has wide range of products to promote, but the most best quality for this affiliate program, it also have cost per action offers, which means you can get paid when someone register an account under your referral link only. You can earn up to $3 per account registration, like in Spreadshirt offer. This is the first program which paid me for the first time when I was completely beginner. Hope you can too if you will be serious. The bedside of this affiliate program, you need to have a website so as to get approved. But don't worry, I have a video in my channel on how to create a free website for free that you will use to get approved in Share a Sale. I used that free website to get approved there. Try to check it, but make sure you post at least 10 articles to your website before requesting to register Share a Sale account. Now let's move to another side of the mirror. The programs which are best for expert. Even though if you are beginner you can try eat slowly so as to master it, since these programs are leading affiliate programs in 2024. It's a dream of every affiliate marketer to master the business on that programs. Let's navigate one by one. So the third best affiliate program is ClickBank affiliate program. In 2024, ClickBank reigns as the top affiliate program due to its diverse product offerings catering to every niche. There are tons of niches in ClickBank. Also, robust tracking system ensuring accurate commissions, and its dynamic community fostering collaboration and success among affiliates worldwide. The limitation of this affiliate program is limited to few countries. Some country like most of African countries cannot open an account. But you can use premium version of Texter VPN while registering. With premium Texter VPN you can access any location limited site without being detected. Also, it's the best for CPA marketing self-clicking. I attach the link in the description below. You can use it for wide range of uses. Okay, the fourth best program is Amazon Associate. Amazon Associate stands out as the premier affiliate program in 2024 thanks to its unparalleled product selection, trusted brand recognition, competitive commission rates, seamless integration with various platforms, and continuous innovation in affiliate tools and resources, empowering affiliates to thrive in the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. You can start from 10% to 25% commission per sale. The program's reliable payment system ensures affiliates receive timely and accurate payments, fostering trust and long-term partnerships. Amazon's commitment to compliance and transparency in affiliate marketing regulations further solidifies its position as the go-to affiliate program for both seasoned professionals and newcomers alike. You can join Amazon Affiliate from anywhere in the world without any limitation, but you need to have a website so as to get approved to this affiliate program. That's why I keep on ranking a Digistone 24 as the #1 affiliate program for beginners. Also, since the percentage of commission that you will earn per sale is too small, which is 10 to 25%. Even though their product are best and collaborate with big branding, so high chance of selling it. The last but not least best affiliate program is Rakuten. Rakuten earns its status as a premier affiliate program in 2024, sharing similarities with Amazon Associates in its extensive product range and brand diversity, offering affiliates lucrative opportunities across various niches. With a user-friendly interface and robust tracking tools like in Amazon, Rakuten empowers affiliates to optimize their strategies for maximum conversions and earnings potential. Its commission structure mirrors that of Amazon Associates, incentivizing affiliates to drive quality traffic and sales through trusted brands. In the competitive landscape of affiliate marketing, Rakuten stands tall as a reliable and innovative platform, providing affiliates with the resources and support they need to thrive in 2024. So if you win Amazon Associate, don't wait to join Rakuten, you will skyrocket your business to the next level. And this make the end of our video. You recommend you to watch the videos showing up on the screen for complete affiliate marketing course by using AI. See you in the next video.